Ever wondered if construction could be as exciting as a superhero movie? Well, hold on to your hard hats because today we're diving into 15 mind-blowing construction techniques that will make you say, "Why didn't I think of that?" And yes, we promise no cranes will be flying at your screen. Just amazing innovations. Alright, let's get started with our first jaw-dropper. 1. 3D printing homes. Imagine living in a house that was printed just like your favorite 3D model. Meet Crane Wasp, the trailblazers in 3D printed earthen homes. They're not just slapping some dirt together. They're using cutting-edge technology to print houses with soil and other local materials right from the construction site. It's like having a giant 3D printer in your backyard. This technique is not only eco-friendly, but also way faster than traditional methods. You get a custom-designed, durable home that's both futuristic and sustainable. It's like the Jetsons, but with a more earthy vibe. Two, foam concrete. Next up, we have foam concrete. No, it's not a new type of latte. This lightweight material is a mix of cement, sand, water, and foam, creating a concrete that's as fluffy as a marshmallow. It's got fantastic insulation properties, meaning it keeps your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Plus, it's fire-resistant, which means you won't need to worry if your cooking experiments go a little awry. It's like having a safety net built into your walls. Three, Hybris insulation. Now let's talk about Hybris insulation. Picture your home wrapped in a cozy, breathable blanket. Hybris has a honeycomb structure that traps heat like a champion, thanks to its closed cell network. It's lightweight, flexible, and doesn't compress over time. Installing it is as easy as pie. If pie involved no crumbs or sticky dough, it's perfect for keeping your home at the ideal temperature without making you break a sweat during installation. 4. Lyra Durisol. Moving on to Lyra Durisol, a building material that's basically a love child of concrete and wood. It's lightweight and insulating, which means it's both strong and energy efficient. Think of it as the Goldilocks of building materials. Not too heavy, not too light, but just right. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, so you can build your dream home while giving Mother Earth a high five. 5. Self-healing concrete. Ever wished your concrete could just fix itself? Well, your wish has come true with self-healing concrete. This incredible innovation contains special bacteria that produce limestone to fill in cracks. It's like having a tiny construction team inside your walls, always ready to patch things up. It's a game changer for durability, ensuring your structures stay strong and crack-free for years to come. 6. Green roofs. Next, let's talk about green roofs, where your rooftop becomes a garden. Not only do they look fabulous, but they also help insulate your building and reduce runoff. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a roof that's also a mini jungle. It's like having a backyard on top of your house. Plus, they're great for the environment, helping to reduce urban heat islands and improve air quality. 7. Prefabricated panels. Ever thought of building your home like assembling a giant puzzle? That's what prefabricated panels are all about. These panels are built off-site and then assembled on-site, making construction faster and more efficient. It's like ordering a flat-pack home that you don't have to spend weekends assembling. You get a high-quality, precise build without all the usual construction mess. Eight, passive solar design. Passive solar design is like having a personal sunshine generator for your home. This technique uses the sun's energy to naturally heat and light your space. By positioning your windows and designing your layout to capture sunlight, you can reduce your reliance on artificial heating and lighting. It's like having a built-in solar panel system without the actual panels. Plus, you get to enjoy more natural light and warmth. Nine, rammed earth construction. Rammed earth construction might sound like it belongs in an ancient civilization, but it's making a big comeback. This technique involves compacting soil into forms to create strong, durable walls. It's an eco-friendly method that uses natural materials and requires minimal energy to produce. Think of it as making giant sandcastles that last forever. Modular construction. Modular construction is like building with Lego bricks, except your final structure is a full-size building. Modules are pre-built in a factory and then assembled on-site, making construction super speedy. It's perfect for creating everything from homes to hotels in record time. Imagine getting your new home as quickly as you get your online shopping delivered. Smart glass. Smart glass is a high-tech window that adjusts its tint based on the sun's intensity. It's like having sunglasses for your house. On sunny days, it dims to reduce glare, and on cloudy days, it brightens up. Not only does it help with temperature control, but it also gives your home a futuristic look. It's like your windows are always on the lookout for the perfect lighting conditions. 12. Geothermal heating and cooling. Geothermal heating and cooling uses the Earth's natural temperature to regulate your home's climate. By digging wells and using a heat pump system, you can enjoy consistent temperatures year-round. It's like having Mother Nature's air conditioning and heating system right under your feet. Plus, it's incredibly energy efficient and eco-friendly. Hempcrete. Hempcrete is a building material made from hemp fibers, lime, and water. It's like the eco-friendly cousin of concrete, offering excellent insulation and durability. Hempcrete is lightweight and helps regulate humidity, making it a perfect choice for sustainable construction. Plus, it's carbon negative, so it helps reduce your home's overall carbon footprint. 14. Living walls. Living walls turn your vertical spaces into lush green gardens. These walls are covered with plants that not only look amazing but also improve air quality and insulation. It's like bringing a bit of nature into your home without needing a whole backyard. You'll feel like you're living in a treehouse, minus the splinters and squirrels. 15. Zero-energy buildings. Zero-energy buildings are like the ultimate goal for sustainable living. These buildings generate as much energy as they consume over a year. Using a combination of energy-efficient design, renewable energy sources, and smart technology, you can achieve a home that's completely self-sufficient. It's like having a house that's not just energy neutral but energy positive. And there you have it, 15 amazing construction techniques that will make you rethink everything you know about building. From futuristic 3D printed homes to eco-friendly Hempcrete, the world of construction is full of innovations that are changing the game. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and keep building your dreams.